Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out a car that sold before anyone else had a chance to buy it. But this car is still so beautiful, so rare, we wanted to be able to show our subscribers. This is a 1965 Corvette with the rare 327, 365 horsepower V8 engine, and it's numbers matching. Beautiful blue paint that was repainted in 1995 and still looks like a show car. Same owner for 43 years on this rare Corvette. Numbers matching motor, transmission. It's got the right rear axle in it. So many neat options this car has.
It really does, Dalton, and it's got both tops as well.
The removable hardtop and the convertible soft top. And we did a lot of work to this thing when it came in, just bringing it up to stuff. You know, detailed the engine compartment. We did new door panels, which they don't give those away.
Oh my gosh.
New seats.
Yeah, the seat covers. Everything was stock, so we had all the original stuff too. The door panels were in great shape, except for just on the armrest had a couple cracks, and one of the seat covers had a couple seam splits. But just for the quality of the rest of the car and numbers matching and stuff, we decided to do basically the new interior.
And just even under the hood, everything's correct. You got the numbers matching black, but even all the correct covering over the distributor, manifolds. It's a car that stayed with the same owner for a long time and just stayed very, very correct.
Yeah, very nice car. Love the color too.
Yeah, these are damn neat. And how cool, they had so many different neat engines with like 327, 365 horsepower. That's really impressive.
Yeah, that's the biggest horsepower for a small block, for sure.
Yeah. Paint's beautiful. It's got really good gaps on it. And if you were to guess when this car was repainted, you wouldn't guess 1995.
No way.
Yeah, it's beautiful. One of my favorite things about it's got the correct knockoff wheels. Those things are not cheap if you want to get them anymore, but they're really neat.
Hideaway headlights work as well.
Mm-hmm. They're still in really good shape. The original radio works on this.
No way. Cool.
Really straight up and down the sides.
As far as the door jamb paint, that's nice as well.
Yep. Brand new door panels. Not much of a door panel, but they're $1,500 a piece.
For the pair, yeah.
Yeah.
The dash was in really good shape. We did a little touch up. We repainted the speaker cover and stuff like that in the steering column. We had to have all that out. Went through the gauge cluster and just put some new bezels and stuff in. But correct shifter. I mean, everything's basically 100% correct on it. One last thing we need to do before it goes out is a new turn signal switch. We had to wait for that forever too. But like you said, nothing comes from Napa.
Yep. And Stephen Penny bought two beautiful Corvettes from us. So I'll show you your 74 here in a second. That's in the back, getting ready to go through the shop next week for the final.
I mean, this one's obviously a lot older and worth a lot more money, but that 74, I was just sitting in it. That is absolutely breathtaking.
And here is your 74, Steve. The boys just brought her back from storage. We're going to give it a once over in the shop next week as well, and then put them both on the same truck and send them out to you. But you're going to love this one too. I mean, two of our nicest Corvettes we've ever had are heading to Minnesota.
Just the steering column and the interior paint, the originality of that thing and the condition is awesome.
You're gonna love them both, Steve. Love the split bumpers on the rear here. This thing also has telescopic wheel, which is really neat. Power windows, power antenna.
Are we gonna take this one for a short drive, D?
Yeah, let's do it. That's a pretty car.
Yeah, the seat covers. Timmy did an awesome, let's just show that real quick. He did a fantastic job on the seat covers. I'm really proud of him. I need to tell him that, but we do all this stuff in-house.
Yeah, he did great.
Actually,
a lot of room. Really.
There is for the top of the headliner and stuff like that. The hardtop is actually original, and that's in good shape too.
It is.
Even a lot of the trim and stuff, a couple little scratches, but all in all, look at this original rear view mirror. So that's something the next owner can
Original
replace.
clock still works. That's just neat, especially on a a sports car back in the day. So that.
There you go.
I had it coming really clear earlier, but you just got to get.
So when
That's
Timmy
cool.
did that, he went ahead and we put the speaker and got everything hooked up, right?
Factory
We spent over 3 days in this dash.
Oh yeah.
Grant did. Just getting things working. Oil pressure gauge works. We got 60 pounds there in idle. TAC works. It's idling about 700-800 RPM.
Telescopic wheel, just turns just like that. You turn it and it comes out and in.
Really?
Yep. This needs to be fastened back on, but they got to put the
Yeah,
turn
we
signal
gotta
switch in, so it's just still loose.
Again.
This car's neat. We got the wiper motor.
I'm just gonna set this in the back. That's gotta be redeemed.
Parts are hard to come by with these cars. You know, there's not many places that remanufacture. We got to send it out to get rebuilt. So we got the wiper motor rebuilt. And
that was $700.
$700 just to get those done. But now you can drive her in the rain, even though you don't want to.
As far as the headlights. Oh,
There's a switch right there on your left.
Yeah,
so
is that?
it's kind of neat how they have that stuff
right here.
factory. Yep. And you hold that down and they come up.
Look at that. Perfect. And take it back down. There you go. That's freaking cool.
These things are sweet, man.
Yeah, gas gauge works, tack works, radio, clock. We'll go ahead on this power antenna here. That work? Is it up or down?
Oh, it's up.
Try it down. Does it work? Nope. Does have a power antenna though. Antenna's up. Heater fan works. Cool.
Yeah, they're neat. The parts, like you
Power
said, some
windows
rare
work
options
good.
for 65. I'll say there's more room in this than there is in the 74 for me anyway.
There is, huh?
Oh yeah, the wheel helps because you can bring it way out and then you got room for your legs.
This is such a cool car. It's just a time capsule though. It's like a piece of art.
Yeah.
I mean, yes, it can be driven and it'll be fun to drive, but it's one of those things where you just, I don't know, I wouldn't jump in and drive it. Like
Well, it's
100
rare to
miles.
find one that's got all the numbers matching drivetrain.
Hey, this steering is nice and tight.
It is. It drives great. I drove it the other day too.
Brakes are good. We put a new odometer and we got the new speedometer odometer. So it's got 11 miles right now on the brake-in, basically. The brake-in of since we've done our stuff to it.
Good power.
Lot of
Speed
power,
over.
don't it? Shift smooth. That's 55 mile an hour right there. Let's go ahead and roll the windows up a minute, shall we?
Yeah. They go up fast too.
They go up super fast. All right. There's third. 60 mile an hour, 3,500 RPMs. Nice easy shift down to fourth. There's 65. The tag bounces just a little bit, but we went through all that as well. It just stays nice and straight, but when it first goes, it has just a little bounce to it. There's 70 mile an hour right now at 3,200 RPM. Goes down the road awesome. Really
This is a sweet
does.
car. This is one that we'll probably never have something like this again, just because they're hard to find with the numbers matching drivetrain, great color, the options.
Here's your brakes.
pretty
Brakes,
special.
the guys did a great job on. They're perfect too.
Awesome. Well, we're gonna get her.
Well, 1 second, I want to show. Downshift, second, first. Downshift works beautiful. The steering radius is nice as well. I'm impressed with it.
It's a good car. We're gonna get her in the shop again next week. Get the turn signal switch put in there. Go through your 74 again and get them shipped out to you.
All right.